Hello, my name is Wayne Alexander, and today we're going to take a look at how to create and schedule bulk deletion jobs within CRM 2013. Bulk deletion jobs are a fantastic way to clear up and save any data or save data space within your CRM system. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and navigate over to the settings area of CRM, and then from the settings area I'm just going to go ahead and navigate over to data management. Setting up a bulk record deletion job is very straightforward, so I'm just going to go ahead and select bulk record deletion, and from within the bulk record deletion area I'm just going to go ahead and click on new. The great thing about the deletion job is it actually runs a wizard to help you set up to schedule the deletion. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Now for this example, what I want to do, bearing in mind if I click on the drop down, you can select any entity in which you want to delete, and what you actually have is something that looks very similar to Advanced Find, where it allows you to add in your filter or your criteria for which the records will be deleted by. But what I'm actually want to do is I want to go ahead and delete my system jobs. So I'm going to go ahead here and select system jobs, and then I'm going to go ahead and say, okay, any system jobs that was created on or before, let me go ahead and say actually from last year. So let me go ahead and change that actually to December 31st. So in other words, any system jobs that are currently in CRM that are from last year 2013 or before, the system's going to delete them in one bulk record deletion job. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click next. So we selected the actual job, the actual entity, which is system jobs. We put in the criteria as well. Last thing we need to do is actually to schedule the job itself. Now, you'll notice we have the start date here. So what I'm going to do is, I said in the beginning that I personally prefer to run these out of business hours. So I'm actually going to say on the 30th of July, let's say at 11 o'clock I want this job run. Now an email could automatically be sent to you on completion of the bulk deletion. Also, you have the ability to not only send the email but also to notify. If I click on the lookup here, I can also add other users that I wish to notify of this of the job being run. Go ahead and click add there. You could tick this box to run this job after every X amount of days. So for my example, this is a one-off bulk deletion that I want to do for all the system jobs that were created last year. Well, from last year going back. But you may have a job which you need to run every so often, and if that's the case, you can just tick that box and select the amount of days. I'm going to go ahead and click next. And finally, I'm just going to go ahead and submit. Before I hit submit, you'll notice there's just a note here saying that only records that exist when this job starts and that you have permission will be deleted. It's very important that you that this is noted. So these bulk deletions are based on your security permissions. So if I didn't have permissions to delete system jobs, even if I was to create this bulk deletion job, the system would allow me to do so. It would check my permissions first, and if I can't delete them, then it wouldn't delete any record. So it's always going to be based on the user who creates a job security permissions. So if I just go ahead now and hit submit, then the system's going to go away and complete that, schedule that bulk deletion job to run out of hours on the 30th of July. Thank you.